How to set a deadline and spending limit on Uber Eats group orders. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, choose a restaurant from where you want to group order. Then, after you've clicked on the restaurant that you want to group order from, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Here, you will find Group Order at the top. Click on Group Order at the top. Then, you can simply click on it, which is Payment Option, and Add Spending Limit. In this way, you can set spending limit. Press on Save at the bottom. Click on Deadline. You can click on No Deadline and set deadline. Press on Save and then press on Save again. Then press on Invite Guests and invite people you want to group order with. You can send the link or send the QR as well. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to set a deadline and spending limit on Uber Eats group orders. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.